my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis. We're now 2/3 of the way through the spring. And as the record sales suggest, there are a lot of households who have recently purchased a home and many more who are looking to do so in the coming months. In May, there are 12,870 home sales reported through TREB's MLS system. This result represented a new record for the month of May and a 10.6% increase over the same period last year. Year-over-year sales growth was experienced for most major home types for the TREB market area as a whole. The strongest sales growth was experienced in the condominium apartment segment with an annual increase of 22%. Detached home sales were up almost 12% compared to May 2015. In contrast to the strong annual sales increase reported for May, the number of new listings was down over the same time frame by 6.4%. The decline in listings was experienced both in the low-rise and condominium apartment segments. So, whether we're talking about existing homeowners or people looking to purchase for the first time, there is no shortage of buyers in the marketplace today. We knew from consumer survey results undertaken at the end of last year that there were many households intending on purchasing a home in the GTA in 2016, so the record sales results are not necessarily surprising. But the record sales do mask, at least to a certain degree, what is arguably the larger story in the GTA, and that's a shortage of listings. With this in mind, what we have is many intending buyers up against a constrained supply of listings, and this has obviously had an impact on selling prices. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark was up by 15% year over year in May, and similarly, the average selling price for all home types combined was up by 15.7% over the same period to $751,908. Low-rise home types, which remained in short supply in many GTA neighborhoods, experienced the strongest price growth. With this said, however, it is important to understand that tighter market conditions for condominium apartments have also resulted in price growth well above the rate of inflation in this market segment as well. This again bolsters the fact that we are seeing demand for ownership housing from a diversity of households across the GTA. As I mentioned last month, we will need to see a substantial increase in new listings in order for market conditions to become more balanced in the GTA, especially insofar as low-rise home types are concerned, both in the City of Toronto and the surrounding regions. In fact, given the degree of pent-up demand in the marketplace, a number of months with growth in listings outstripping growth in sales will be required. With this in mind, we certainly expect another busy month in June in terms of home sales, and I look forward to speaking with you again at the beginning of July. Thanks very much.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.